Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Salesforce role hierarchy and sharing settings, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your Salesforce role hierarchy and sharing settings, begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Access the setup menu by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the quick find box, type roles and click on roles under the users section. You will see a list of all your Salesforce roles. Export this list by using the export or download option available on the page. Next, return to the setup menu. In the quick find box, type sharing settings and click on sharing settings. Review your existing sharing rules and note them down for backup. To capture this information, you can take screenshots or copy the relevant details into a document. If your organization uses permission sets, return to the setup menu. Type permission sets in the quick find box and click on it. Document each permission set and its associated details similarly. For role hierarchy, create a visual representation if necessary. Use tools like Lucidchart or Visio to create a diagram based on the exported role hierarchy list. Once all data is compiled, organize it into a clear, accessible format for easy reference in the future. Consider storing the backup data in a secure cloud storage solution or an encrypted file. Regularly update this backup to reflect any changes in your Salesforce environment. Ensure you have appropriate access rights to perform these tasks, as permissions can vary by user. Finally, consult your team or organization's policy on data retention and backups to stay compliant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.